So you might be in a position where for some reason your iPhone is randomly restarting. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically your iPhone just constantly is just restarting by itself. You even know why it's happening. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is just double checking your battery health. So this means that with your battery life of your iPhone, it may mean that your battery health is messed up. So make your way over to your iPhone settings just like this. You want to scroll down until you see battery, which is right here. And then what you want to do is click battery health and charging. And this number right here, I'm already at 99% on my iPhone 14, which is pretty crazy. So all you're going to want to do is just make sure that this number isn't like 60% or something. If this number right here is like below 70, then that probably means you're going to run into issues a lot, regardless of what you do. So keep that in mind. Now, if this number is like 90 something, or if it's even like 80 something, the other thing you're going to want to make sure is that with your device, you are not like on a random version of iOS from so long ago. I would recommend updating your iPhone, at the one of the more recent versions of iOS versions available. So what I'd recommend doing here is going back into your iPhone settings like here, clicking on General, clicking on Software Update, which is right here, and essentially just going through and uninstalling or installing the latest version of software available for your iPhone. This is by far going to be one of the best things you can do in my opinion, and it's probably going to be the thing that's going to fix it for a lot of people out there. So go ahead and just update your phone, and that's something I would probably again recommend doing for a vast majority of people out there. If that's not working, or if you don't have an update available, you can try going through and try basically restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device, slide to power off. If that's still not working, there may be some weird software issues going on with your phone mixed with the hardware. So in these cases, you're probably again going to have to wait it out until either Apple fixes this issue via a software update, or if it is a hardware issue, you're going to have to take it into Apple for them to fix it. So in terms of that, that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.